What's up guys, and welcome back to Veg on Pennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan, and cheap recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about sandwiches. So what inspired this video first was that last week I was running to class late as usual and I decided I would just grab a quick sandwich from our cafeteria. It's convenient, it's quick, it's fast, and they do have vegan options. The last time I did buy a sandwich from there was like last semester, so I didn't really remember the pricing and like the sizes of the portion. Needless to say, when I got there and I got the sandwich, paid for it, honey, it was this small and it cost me $8. Like with tax it was almost $10, which was insane. I was really annoyed that I had to spend that much money. Of course I know that you pay for convenience, you pay for the fact that it's already ready, made for you, ready to eat, not have to cook anything, so I understand that, but the fact that the markup was so high got me really annoyed. So at that point I was like, F that, F the sandwiches, F the cafeteria, I'm gonna do my own thing and I'm gonna do a sandwich videos to give you guys some inspiration, because I'm sure I'm not the only college student who's struggling with like the cafeteria prices. They're just way too high, and I thought I would come to the rescue and give us all a giant help and hug and give us all some ideas that you can do for sandwiches. Sandwiches are awesome in general just because they don't require any microwave, and we all know how the lines can be just waiting for the microwave. You can wait minutes, like half an hour just to use a microwave, which is really insane. So all these sandwiches are ready to eat. You open your backpack, your lunch bag or your lunch box, and you can just start munching, because we all know that sometimes our breaks are only like half an hour, 15 minutes, so you really don't want to be wasting that whole break just waiting for the microwave. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, way more content coming very soon. Without any further ado, let's just get right in the video.
I start to wonder if I should.
Starting with some chickpeas from a can that I drained. So as you start mashing them, I'm taking about half a can of chickpeas and I'm kind of mashing like half of them just to have like you know, a little bit more of a manageable texture.
Cause someday I love someone like I love me, but I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay.
Add in some chopped celery. Look at that green, that pop of green. I also chopped up some radishes just because I had some.
Okay with me. Okay. And that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay. And that's okay with me. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it.
So now for this sandwich, I'm just taking some normal sandwich bread that I got for $2.79 at my local grocery store. What is this in here? Originally I would toast my sandwich because I like to have my sandwich toasted, but I do not have a toaster. Instead, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a tiny bit of mayo just for luck, you know, because if you don't have mayo, it's like, what are you doing, you know? I'm also gonna add some lettuce. I'm just using iceberg because it was the least expensive one at the store, but you can use whichever lettuce you like.
Way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew.
That's sandwich number one.
I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I love someone like I love me.
Starting with a pita. So first thing I want to do is spread some hummus.
Okay with me. Okay. And that's okay with me. I guess
I have my platter. roasted vegetables. So of course the second sandwich is a roasted vegetable sandwich, so I went ahead and roasted some eggplant and as well as zucchinis and red onions that I'm gonna have in the sandwich. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, as much as you want or as little as you want. So I'm just gonna do 3 and then sprinkle some zucchini.
Me, I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I love someone like a
Wrap like this, and then you kind of just go ahead and you fold, so you can.
okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's
Basically, all I did is I went ahead and cut them in half. So you have your pita here, and you have your beautiful roasted vegetable inside. And I made 2 pitas just because one is not going to be very filling, since after all it is only roasted vegetables. There's no beans in there or anything.
what
So,
about what I want? What about what I want? And what I want?
and I'm gonna add some little snack.
Instead of watching a movie, but you wanted me to be what you need instead of.
And that's pretty much it. Close it up, and that is lunch number 3.
I guess I never loved you like I love.
Third sandwich is a scrambled tofu sandwich. So I'm starting out with this little calabrese bun again because
Wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, okay, okay. I would tell you everything I believed in.
my scrambled tofu that I cooked earlier. You can do whatever scrambled tofu recipe you prefer. I'm gonna leave mine down below. It's very, very simple.
What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it.
And since this is a breakfast sandwich after all, I thought I would go ahead and add some roasted potatoes.
Me, but I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and
Fourth sandwich, I'm starting out with, again, the same bread. This time I've cut it completely in half just so I have a whiter surface. It would be so nice if you toasted this. It's going to be even better. But some people like their bread soft, you know? So we don't judge, we don't discriminate. Whatever you like is you.
times I start to wonder if I should change my mind. Someday I love someone like I love me, but I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay.
A very easy smoked tofu sandwich with a Thai sauce. So I first started out with a whole pita pocket that I sliced in half. That way I can have 2 handy dandy pockets like so.
With me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me.
And then you just want to take some lettuce and you're just gonna shove it in here. Shove it in.
Be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what?
And from there, I'm just gonna add some slabs of smoked tofu. So this is the one I use. It's just by the brand Soy Organic. Just any smoked tofu with.
But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I
gonna deal with are pickled vegetables here that we're not gonna add in there, as well as a Thai peanut sauce here. Like this and like this. That way it's gonna stay nice and crisp for lunch. Then when you are ready to serve, I had this little container here that I got at the dollar store, so it's a nice little container. I could put my sauce in here.
But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to live.
So my sauce is nice in this little compartment, and then you can find another compartment for your pickled veggies. So I would just add as much or as little as you wish in here, and then like even if I drain them really well, if they sit in here too long, it's gonna get soggy. Okay.
Like I love me, but have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay.
Like when it's all ready to eat, and of course you add as much or as little peanut sauce as you wish. But yeah, just make sure that you add all your liquid components only when you're ready to eat them, because otherwise it's gonna make it pretty soggy, but it's so good, so delicious. So that is the 5th idea. And that was it, you guys, for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you like and subscribe like I said before, and hopefully these give you some inspiration for your sandwiches and lunch this week at school. And they're way less expensive, very easy, very satisfying. So hopefully you guys enjoy them, and that's all I had for you guys today, and I'll see you guys next time.
And that's okay with me, 'cause someday I'll love someone like I love me.